Confía en mí, soy ingeniero.
Olha isso! Meu Deus!
Let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go.
How the fuck did you get this job?
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guy? 20 bucks? No.
And we're off. This is about a $30,000 disaster. Look at this. No excuse for this. It blew out. Look at all that concrete they got to clean up.
A régua tá ruim, pega outra lá. Vai cumprir essa régua ontem, velho. Ó, diferença. A régua quando tá torta. Tá vendo? Essa régua ontem. Me esqueci na hora que eu vou o material.
Olha aí, ó. Olha aí, ó. Olha aí, ó.
Oh no, I hope I don't fall. No.
So the job description here was, hey bro, just stand in the basement, shoot the stuff around when it comes out down the chute and use the rake. He couldn't do that. Yep, and we're off. Look at this stuff flow out. It's just pouring out of this footing. First you gotta pour that at about a 4 or 5 inch slump, and you go about 2 feet around the perimeter to seal it up, and then you could wet it up. And another thing is you got to jump on that and plug that hole up and stop that. You can't just let 15 yards run out while you guys are standing there watching it. I mean, these guys are out of their mind. Look how much concrete they wasted.
We put weak sauce to work today. Well, boys, I fucking sent her a little too fucking hard, but I really hope my... Oh, fuck! Damn, I hope my radiator's good.
That's how busy we are today.
These construction workers had an insane fail. The guy piloting the digger has to carefully put this big stone block back into the hole. He got ready to place the stone in, but then it slipped and the machine lost its grip and this happened. If you get that goo on you, you'll turn into venom. Like and sub if you'd eat the goo.
Wow. Wow.